Hello and welcome to the Webforms Authentisign introduction video. So when you're logging in or trying to access Webforms Authentisign, the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Toronto Real Estate Board login. Once you're there, you're going to see Webforms Authentisign just right here on the left hand side. You can click on that and it's going to take you right into the system. Once you're in the system, you're going to see that it looks like the new Authentisign program and not the old Webforms program. What you're going to see when you log in is your member dashboard. Now, not everyone's dashboard is going to look exactly like mine because I have customized it, but you are going to see create a transaction, start signing, getting started, and some of these boxes here. These are all of the access points that you can use in order to do the things you need to do within Authentisign. And then down here on the left-hand side are shortcuts to all of the different things as well. So this one that looks kind of like a speedometer is your main dashboard, which is what we're looking at here. This next one is a link to your transaction. So if you want to access a previous transaction that you've already created, you would just click on this link and it will take you into all of your pre-existing transactions. If you wanted to open up a transaction, then you would just click on the name of it and it would take you into that system. This pen here on the left is to open up a signing. So if you have a document, a PDF or a file of some sort that you just need to get initials or signatures on, you could just come right in and select the signing section, and then you could go ahead and create that signing for yourself. This next one is your form. So this is access to all of the different forms in the system that we have, and all of our forms are now in here. So you're going to notice in the form section, you're going to see the Keller Williams Realty Center forms at the top, and all of our office forms are here as well. So our listing sheet, our realtor absence, our Schedule B, all of that sort of stuff is here. As well as all of the FinTrack forms, the Ontario Residential Tenancies Act, which is actually the Ontario lease that's required. So that's in here as well. You can just access that from here. And then if you scroll down, all the different board paperworks, depending on where you're doing an offer, as well as the Toronto Real Estate Board down at the bottom here. So you can access any form you need to from this section here. The next section is your document box. You can upload documents to this section. So if you wanted to import the Schedule B, the COVID forms, documents of that nature, you could absolutely do that in here into My Folders or Inbox folders, and then they would be in your system already for you. And you can save them in this document section. This next one is if you wanted to set up tasks and reminders for yourself, you can do that within Authentisign and Webforms also. And what that can do is, if you know you need to get a notice of fulfillment signed by next Wednesday, or you want to remind yourself to follow up with the buyer agent on Tuesday, you can create those tasks and reminders just simply by hitting add here. And then the system will actually notify you on that day that you have to complete that task. So it will go to your email and remind you to do that. Faxing, if you wanted, you could do email faxing to another agent if they have a fax number or an email that goes to fax. You could use the system for that setup as well. Your contacts, this is where you can add yourself and the brokerage and any of the clients that you're working with, as well as any other people on your team. Christine Tonis is the broker of record, so that these people are all saved within your system, and then you can easily access them when you're doing transactions. This next one, the cogs, is your setup, or what I call your settings section, and you can access a lot of the different things in here, as well as edit your preferences for Authentisign, your information, things of that nature, your email signature, your office information. You can do all of that in this section. You can create your transaction templates here. You can link your teams here. You can do all that sort of stuff. Your clauses here as well. If you want to add clauses or edit clauses, things like that, you can do all of that under this settings section. And then this last section is an app store. So if you wanted to link your Authentisign or Webforms to DocuSign, you could do that here by linking it if you're more comfortable using the DocuSign system. So you could still create all of your documents within the Authentisign Webform system, and then you could still send them through DocuSign even though you're in this system. So this is your support at the bottom. So if you have any questions or you needed any guidance or you wanted to get webinars or videos, anything like that, they're all here for you. So you could come in here and click on those. You can also reach out to support, or you could submit an email if you needed to as well. So that is a basic overview of Authentisign and Webforms and how it looks. There is a quick start guide right up here at the top if you wanted more information. This is how you get back to the old version of Webforms if that's what you're looking to do. It's now called Legacy, so you would just click on this button here. This is your help guide that you can use, and then this unlock your main dashboard is how we actually customize the member dashboard here that you're looking at. And there is another video, a quick video on that so that you can see how that works. So if you want to know more information on that or on the Legacy version, you can watch those videos and get that info. And that's a quick oversight or overview of the Authentisign main screen, as well as what you can do within the system. I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.